Welcome to the channel. Okay, guys, if you saw that thumbnail, we are going to jump right into it. This is a Coach unboxing. Do you see the very large box? Guys, they always send humongous boxes. Let me be transparent in the front intro of this video. If you saw that thumbnail, then you may really already know what is going on. Okay, so what do I say, guys, all the time? Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Because your girl being me, I am excited, guys. We have no makeup. I was notified that this package had come, and baby, let me tell you, when I say I am so happy to have received this, I want to see this live and in the flesh with all of my subscribers, all of my purse sisters, any and everybody that loves a good bag. Are you here for it? Okay, so let's jump into it, guys. I have the box already somewhat ripped, and we are getting into okay. Now, guys, do you see this girl in your screen? What do I say? Shaking my shimmy. Come on, Coach, and come through. Come through with the get down. Are you loving what you are seeing thus far, guys? I am holding this in the screen. Baby, baby, baby. Listen, Linda. If you are familiar with my face, hey, boo, how are you? If you are not, hey, boo, how are you? But let me tell you something. You might be like, girl, you are excited. Listen. Okay? Yes, I am. I am excited, guys, without a doubt. This bag is looking like, if you like I was saying before I lost my train of thought, if you're familiar with my face, then you'll know that I am without a doubt a tote girl. Okay, and when we say tote, my mind automatically goes to Marc Jacobs. But baby, I want to be clear, this bag right here, baby, let me bring her front and center to the stage. Now, have you seen this? Have you seen this bag, guys, in all of your moving about YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of them, anybody, all of the social media platforms? Guys, do you see what is in front of your face? Do you see it? Do you see it? I know you don't always want to see me. You want to see the bag. Okay, let's talk about this bag in all of her glory. Okay, do you see this stitching like a good pair of jeans? Let me slowly, subtly bring that in on you. This the sort of yellow like stitching. Well, it's not like the yellow stitching that you will find in a pair of jeans, and these little things that you would find, or these little bevels that you would find on a pair of jeans. Now, get into that. It is a snap. And guys, I was really interested in wanting to know and see about, okay, this is the strap. This is the strap, guys, that comes, ouch, that comes with this bag. What is the strap giving? I tell you this, it's feeling really substantial in this plastic. Okay, it's giving, the strap is giving like a heavy, it's blue. I am here for this looking like Vachetta leather, guys. Do you see that? Do you see the hardware? So seeing this means it has gold hardware. Ding, ding. Okay. Are you here for that? Because I absolutely, guys, I absolutely am. And she is not too big. She's not too big. She's not small at all. I don't know, guys, what size they are considering this. I know that this was the one that was $275. I am chef's kiss to the person that decided to make this bag be $275. Yes, yes, ma'am. Very, very affordable, very doable. Let me look on the back. Guys, girl, need your glasses. Yes, this bag was $275. I'm here for that. It really feels like a pair of jeans. Let's be clear. It really feels like a pair of jeans, guys. I have on a pair of jeans. Okay, let's get into that. Yes. So with this little pale pink shirt, I'm a vibe already. Don't let me accessorize, because guys, I am on air with no earrings, no nothing. You know, your girl does have on some bangles, but I did start to disassemble myself. So yes, but I was like, come on, girl, before you do anything else, before you disassemble anything else, let's show the girls. And guys, here I am to show you now. She has, look at that little turn lock right there. It is giving things. Guys, what do I say? Boss vibes, okay? Boss vibes. Let's look at this little. Listen, I am not here to persuade anybody. I'm not sponsored in no shape or form, guys, by Coach. You know, if that happens one day, yay. But we not. This was my own money, okay? This was my own hard-earned coin that I did spend on this girl. And guys, I'm trying to take this little tag or whatever right here off so I can show you guys. I am feeling this little tag right here. And girls, guys, anybody, let me tell you guys something. I purchased this bag. I am without a doubt going to look for my receipt and things on this bag, because let me let you know right now, if you two plan on getting this bag, right, I am going to take this bag with me to the nearest Coach, and I am going to have initials put on this little tag. Okay, get into it. Yes, I am. I'm telling you right now, I am going to have my initials, baby. It's going on the bag, all right, because this little tag is a nice size, guys. I like the substantial tags. I am so here for this color. I love when leather has like that vachetta look, even if it's not vachetta leather. I like that tanning that LV vachetta does. After a while, I think it is so beautiful when a leather piece has a beautiful pristine patina. It is a vibe personally for me. Guys, I'm loving it. Coach did not disappoint for me on this one, guys. I was a little nervous. I really was trying to not spend a substantial amount on any of all of these denim bags, guys. You know, the denim bags are out here. Every label, every brand is throwing out something denim, but you know, your girl being me, it was only fitting, hunty, for your girl being me to get a tote shaped denim bag. Okay, all of the bags I saw, I was trying to go I was trying to stay in the affordable range, the less expensive range. Guys, I was looking for that other bag that I got. Let's see. I got it. Hold on. You still there? I got the other bag sitting on the side of me, guys. I didn't spend the boatload on this girl. And I didn't spend a boatload on this. But baby, let me tell you something, guys. These two little pieces, this is my denim fix. Okay, this is my denim fix. This was the El Cheapy one that looks a lot like that denim tabby. Okay, so that Madden girl, she quenched my thirst for that one. And as you can see, this one right here, I did purchase the original. I did not try to find a dupe or anything for this girl, guys. She is beautiful. Now, let me quickly, if you still here with me, now check it out. What makes this so cute is because this is a little pocket right here, guys. It's a little pocket right there. And then you turn this girl on the back, and she got another little pocket area. So without a doubt, she's gonna be able to do the things. Okay, she is gonna be able to do the things. Let me open her up on the inside. What is she giving on the inside? Okay, guys, on the inside, the inside is the color of the actual strap. Okay, the strap that comes with this bag, that is what the inside is. The material, the color is the same as the strap, and then it has that beautiful Coach tag up there that is in the brown. Vibes, guys. It doesn't have any feet or anything like that. It's just jean on the bottom. But when I say vibes, for me, it is a vibe, guys. I am loving this. And guys, when we say jeans, just know, literally, this is a pair of jeans. This is a pair of jeans that we paid $275 for. You know, you paid $275 for a pair of jeans that's shaped in the square. Okay, they got me. But I love it. I think it's a vibe. Will I get a huge amount of usage out of this bag? Absolutely. I will wear this bag in this spring, guys. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Okay, because I'm just that girl. Meaning, I wear denim year round. Think about it, guys. You wear jeans all the time. Okay, so for all my jean girls, you might want to invest in this girl if it appeals to you. Now let me be transparent and honest with that, guys. In all of my videos, let me just say this. If you are still here, it is never to boast nor brag. These are just items, just things, guys. Pocketbooks, lipsticks, all of it. The what's in my bags, the bag reviews, the hair reviews, the wigs, everything, ladies and gentlemen. This is just, to show you the things that I personally like, and understanding they are just things. Okay, I cannot stress that enough. But I'm grateful that I'm able to have some of, not all, not every single one, but I am so grateful, guys, that I am able to have some of the little things that I desire and work hard for. So without a doubt, if you two love, a good handbag and all of the things, then you understand exactly what I am talking about. And guys, I think this is absolutely a vibe. So if you were curious about this bag, I hope this little unboxing, little review helps you along your way as well. If you are not familiar with my face and this is your first time coming by the channel, please smash that subscribe button, that post notification bell, so you are in the know when your girl does another upload. And until the next time, guys, bye for now.